In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up classes in QuickBooks Pro. If you want a simple way to organize your income and expenses by department, location, service type, or any other part of your business, class tracking can be a very helpful tool. Setting it up only takes a few moments, and once it's enabled, it can make your reporting much more useful and easier to understand. To begin, open QuickBooks Pro and go to the Edit menu. From there, select Preferences and then choose Accounting. When the Accounting Preferences window opens, click on the Company Preferences tab. In this section, look for the option labeled Use Class Tracking for Transactions and check that box to turn it on. This step enables QuickBooks to assign classes to your transactions, which is what allows you to track different areas of your business more clearly. After class tracking has been enabled, the next step is to create the classes you actually want to use. Think of these classes as categories that help you separate activity inside your company. For example, you might use classes for different departments, business locations, or types of work. The names you choose should match the way you want to review your financial information later, so it's a good idea to keep them clear and consistent. Now go to the Lists menu at the top of your screen and select Class List. This will open the list where all of your classes are stored. At the bottom of that window, click the Class drop-down menu and choose New. In some versions, you can also right-click anywhere in the list and select New from there. Either method will open the New Class Setup window. In the name field, type the name of your class. Make it specific enough that you'll recognize it easily when entering transactions or running reports. If you want to create a subclass, check the box labeled Subclass of, then choose the parent class from the drop-down menu. Subclasses are useful when you want more detail under a broader category, while still keeping everything organized under one main heading. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save the class. You can repeat this process for each class you need, and that's all there is to it. You've now enabled class tracking and created the categories needed to start organizing your transactions in QuickBooks Pro. With a thoughtful class structure, your reports can become much more informative and much easier to use.